conservation district had been organized out of a bad situation because of the dust storms in the west.
In the 1930s, the Dust Bowl hit the United States because of bad farming practices and extreme drought. The soil became unusable and dust storms swept across the states. Hunger and sickness followed. Realizing the importance of taking care of our lands, President Roosevelt, with the help of soil scientist Hugh Hammond Bennett, wrote to state governors encouraging legislation to form soil and water conservation districts. The first conservation district was formed in 1937. Greenville County Soil and Water Conservation District was not far behind. The district was chartered in 1938.
But our problems in South Carolina and the Southeast had to do with severe erosion and flooding. And it's just indescribable to think about how severe the land had been damaged over the years. So it was so necessary that we have conservation programs on the land.
The goals of these conservation districts are to implement farm, ranch, and forest land conservation practices to protect soil productivity, water quality and quantity, air quality, and wildlife habitat. Conserve and restore wetlands, which purify water and provide habitat for birds, fish, and numerous other animals. Protect groundwater resources. Assist communities and homeowners to plant trees and other land cover to hold soil in place. Clean the air. Provide cover for wildlife and beautify neighborhoods. Help developers control soil erosion and protect water and air quality during construction. In July 1940, Chairman J.L. Lindsay wrote, "The attitude of farmers towards soil and water conservation is good, but they do not fully understand it. There's a need to hold meetings to teach the people the value of conserving the soil. Those who do not know about the program should be educated. Many farmers are slow to take on to the new things, but once they are made to see the value, they are glad to go along with it." In an effort to educate children and get them more involved with the land, an essay contest was started in 1943. This essay contest proved to be successful, as the district still holds this competition each year. Through the years, the district has had many excellent staff and commissioners. 3 of the district's commissioners who served on the South Carolina Land Resources Commission were named Conservationists of the Year for the state of South Carolina. In 1969, W.B. Bennett. In 1987, Ben R. Leonard. And in 1993, Richard Cawthron. Not only did Ben R. Leonard receive Conservationist of the Year, but he was also a recipient of the first National Conservation District Communications Award. The Greenville County Soil and Water Conservation District was the first district to be a recipient of the National Conservation Education Award. This honor was awarded to the district because of their work on developing the property for the Roper Mountain Environmental Science Center, a large contributor being John W. Paris. Among other awards, the district has been named South Carolina Conservation District of the Year. The district is still very active in the community through many different programs. The stormwater education program with the Poop Fairy and the Yucky Ducky campaigns have left a lasting impression on many people. The Poop Fairy campaign focusing on pet waste and the importance of pet owners picking up after their pets. The Yucky Ducky campaign focusing on other pollutants including used auto fluids, yard waste, trash, fertilizers, and pesticides. The district has influenced schools by supporting science fair contests, conducting an essay and photography contest, having in-class demonstrations and lessons, and teaching at outdoor learning centers. The district has brought the community together by educational programs which include rain gardens, rain barrels, community gardens, and speaking and educating at local events. The district has also co-hosted a natural resources camp for children. The Natural Resources Conservation Service and the Department of Natural Resources branch of our office has continued to assist farmers and landowners with things like EQIP grants, 319 grants, and soil erosion. Through the hard work of the district and the public, a brighter and sustainable future is being made. Here's to another 75 years of conservation.